Trauma and stressor-related disorders. There are many kinds of potential traumatic experiences a person can go through in life. They can be small traumas, such as humiliation or difficult situation experienced in childhood, or bigger traumas, that is, events that lead to death or threaten the physical integrity of self or loved ones. The person may also have witnessed a major traumatic event that occurred to others, or may have learned of a traumatic event that occurred to a loved one. After traumatic experiences, symptoms such as intrusive thoughts and images, inability to feel happiness and satisfaction, behaviors that drive them to avoid situations they fear or remind them of trauma, and persistent states of agitation appear. If these symptoms last more than a month, it is called post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. PTSD may occur even months after the trauma. For PTSD to develop, it is necessary that the person is exposed to trauma by experiencing the traumatic event directly or indirectly. Symptoms related to the traumatic event occur after the event. Intense psychological distress might occur in response to events reminiscent of the trauma. The person might not remember some important aspects of the traumatic event and might develop exaggerated negative beliefs about themselves, others, or the world. They might experience emotional detachment from others or inability to feel positive emotions. The person might experience irritability and outbursts of anger, over little or no provocation, concentration problems, and trouble sleeping. Exposure to traumatic experiences produces intense emotions that the victim struggles to handle and that cause a major distress in everyday life. The person displaying PTSD symptoms needs to consult their general practitioner or the local mental health center, in Italian CSM.